हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आज के एक नए वीडियो में जिसमें मैं फिर से एक पुराना रिपीट सा टॉपिक लेके आया हूँ। ठीक है, अब आप बोलोगे कि क्यों बार बार रिपीट टॉपिक लेके आए हो। बिकॉज द इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ दिस सब्जेक्ट, इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ दिस टॉपिक इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट एंड आई विल ऑल्सो गिव यू सो मेनी रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल दैट वाई आई एम कवरिंग दिस टॉपिक मेनी टाइम्स. Okay, the topic for today's video is wonderful and that is the communication skill, and that is one of my favorite. Okay, see, the thing is communication skill is really important no matter if you are in engineering, if you are in marketing, if you are in management, whatever field you choose. If you have wonderful communications, you have a great future. Otherwise, in this time, if without communication skill, you are not going to survive. Okay, this is the mandatory thing required for each and every students, no matter which branch or which stream he is studying on. Okay, see, in communication skill, what I want to tell you and what I want from you is that after the end of 4 year of engineering, I need at least make sure that you are able to speak English fluently. Okay, because why I'm focusing that because the thing is, see, right now you are studying in a Gujarat. Okay, let's say that in India, wherever you are. See, right now you are studying your mother tongue English, and this three language. Okay, Hindi, English, Gujarati, these are the three most important language used in the engineering college. Okay, in Gujarat. In India, other part there are Hindi or Marathi or whatever language, I don't know. Okay, but see, what happened that after 4 year of engineering, when you're done with your college, you have to start a job. Okay, so let's say that you are working in good companies, reputed companies, so that time your client is not from India. Your client may be from Singapore, UAE, Europe, America, Australia, or any other places. Okay, so that time you are not able to speak with your client in English if you are not focusing in your communication skill while you are engineering. Okay, so that's why I always focus to improve your communication skill. So in this video, I am going to give you some few tips that how can you improve your communication skill. Okay, it is really important stuff, really important thing. Okay, because I also have gone through it, because I am not from English medium school. I am also from Gujarati medium school. Okay, and mostly you are also from the Gujarati medium school. Okay, because see, what will happen that if you are from Gujarati medium school, it will be little bit tough in the starting of your engineering that how to switch from Gujarati to English suddenly. Okay, because in 12th till 12th you are writing papers in Gujarati. In board paper you are also using the Gujarati language, but when you are sitting for the first lecture of your engineering, everything is in the English. Your professor will come, he is speaking everything in English, writing everything in board, your book is in the English, your reference paper, everything is in English. Okay, so see, it's a really tough task. I had also gone through this process, so you also must have to go through this process. Okay, and I know that मैंने कर दिया है तो आप भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, if I am able to do it, then why can't you? You are also able to do it, but you have to follow practice and practice daily basis. Okay, अब यहाँ पे practice में it's not like today is Sunday, let's skip the practice. Okay, you have to do this 24/7, 365 days, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, which how many minutes you want, you can do it. Okay, but no any break you have to take. Okay, and there are no excuses like my relatives is coming to my house, so I am not going to do communication skill practice for today. Okay, I am going to skip for the today. But bro, why are you want to do so much of long time? Do it for 10 minutes. Okay, before your relatives comes, do it. Let's say that you have a dinner party at your home, so do it before the dinner party, do it in afternoon, morning, because God has given you 24 hours. Okay, so no any excuses if you want to really improve your communication skill. Okay, so yeah, let's start with the first number point. First number point is take a vow, take a resolution in this new year of 2023, that daily you are going to speak 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. Okay, ठीक है, as per your capacity you have to speak English daily for limited amount of time. Okay, the time is decided by you, and as I already mentioned in the, previously, that no any excuses will required. Okay, you must have to do this, you must have to do this. If relatives is coming at your home, your friend is coming your home, your party, you are going out, whatever, I don't need any excuses. Okay, if you really want to improve your communication skill, you must have to follow this timetable. Okay, so do it at least for 10 minutes in a day, and this is only for speaking. Okay, see, I will give you the real life example. Okay, daily I come in front of you in YouTube, I shoot my video on the phone's camera screen. Okay, I have to speak English daily, so I am improving my English kind of a thing. Okay, so if you are daily speaking 10 minutes English, this is also improving for you. I know this time also my grammar sometimes is not correct, sometimes I am not able to use throw the proper word. Okay, sometimes I am, because see, in my English is a really basic level English. Okay, everyone can understand, so you have to at least start from this level as well. So first thing is daily you have to speak 10, 15, 20 minutes as per your capacity. Start speaking English. Okay, point number 2, daily listen a blog. a podcast, vlog, anything which is you need, okay. And you can do this only for 5 minutes, okay, because see, if you are able to speak English, then obviously your listening skill is going to be improved, okay. For that I have few suggestions for you, okay. चलिए अब जो आएगा वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट होगा, मज़ा आएगा. वॉच वेब सीरीज़. वेब सीरीज़ में सबसे पहले मैंने इससे पहले भी एक बार इसका एग्जांपल दिया था, FRIENDS. दिस इज़ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल, मोस्ट famous web series. This is not the web series, but this series has very much famous in entire world, not only for India, because this series has 10 seasons, started in around 1999 or something like that and ended in 2008 or 10. But this wonderful series, I know a few of them have already watched this, but do it again, watch it, repeat it, okay. Because the thing is, this series has really improved my English, because mostly I have learned English from watching this series, okay. So friends, if you haven't watched, please watch it. Do it 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or do it one episode in a day, because the single episode of this series is only for 22 minutes, okay. So if you have more time, then you can watch 2 episodes. If you have less time, then you can watch 1 episode, okay. But at least watch 1 episode daily of this series, okay. And in that 24/7, no any holidays, okay. Saturday, Sunday, no off, okay. And web series, you are taking so much load in the weekends, okay. क्योंकि I know that weekend में हम पूरी की पूरी सीरीज एक सीजन निपटा देते हैं यार, तो ये तो हो ही सकता है और ये तो आपको मजा आएगा, बिकॉज दिस सीरीज इज ऑल्सो वंडरफुल. द कम्युनिकेशन स्किल you are going to improve with the help of English, okay. In that I have few suggestions. In starting, what you have to do, you have to start with the CC. Do you know what is the CC? CC means let's say caption, okay. In starting, you have to start with the caption, because that time in starting you are not able to understand or listen what they are saying, because your ears are not habited with this much amount of English, okay. So you have to start with the caption and you have to read it. So 2 skills are improving. First is listening, second is means reading, because in caption you are reading English, okay. So reading as well as listening, these 2 things are improving at the same time. Third thing, after few episodes, after few seasons, there are 10 seasons I already mentioned. So after first or second season, erase this, means no need to put this caption from the upcoming videos, means no need to put captions. So that time you have to start everything understand with the help of listening process, okay. Because see, you have already passed the test case of reading. English reading is done. Now you have to start listening it, okay. Because in earlier I mentioned that when you are in job, you have to speak with the different clients, okay. Some of are in Australia, England, America, everywhere, okay. So that time no any caption or subtitle will be there, okay. So that's why subtitle you have to remove after 1 or 2 seasons, okay. So after then you have to start making habit that you are able to listen what they are speaking, okay. And this is how you have wonderful chance to improve your communication skill, okay. This is the second number most important point. Please make sure that you are watching this web series, and after finishing this web series, you can start watching web series which is related to your field, okay. Like say that I am in computer science engineer, I am a software engineer, so what should I do? I will watch the web series which is related to computer ID coding, okay. If you are from mechanical, there are so many genre are available which is related to the mechanical field, okay. If you are from electrical, civil, all the web series are currently available. And don't waste your time watching the bakwas web series which is currently available on so many free of OTT platform, okay. I don't want to take any of the name, but don't waste your time, okay. Because see, in this there is no any storyline. They just want to focus on just one bad thing, and you are habitual to that. You just want to see that, okay. I don't want to take the name of that thing, I don't want to take any of the name of the web series, but don't waste your time, please. This is my really request to you. This is the advice from your brother as well. You can also consider it as well, but don't waste your time, okay. Because at the end you are not learning, you are wasting your time, completely wasting your time, okay. So please don't do it, okay. This is the second number thing I want to tell you. Point number 3 and last point, because this video is already a bit lengthier, but this is most important, so that's why I thought it's okay if it is going to be lengthier, okay. Last point number 3, okay. Start speaking English with your friends, okay. In college, in library, wherever you are sitting, make a habit that with your friend that in a day you speak at least 10 to 15 minutes, do a conversation in English, okay. Because I also did that. There is one of my really best friend in college. We both have created a wow means created a thing that we from that day we have to daily speak our conversation, make a conversation in English at least for the 10 days, and we did that, okay. So both were having benefits of it, because both were really very at low level in English at starting point, okay, but after 1 month we both have wonderful what I can say grip in the English speaking, okay, because see what will happen that if you are doing this process for continuous, you will have wonderful result, okay. So that's why I am focusing again and again for this thing, communication skill, okay. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Let me summarize entire video in one thing, that first you have to take about that at least 10 to 15 minutes you have to speak English. Second number, watch this web series if you haven't watched. If you watched it, repeat it, okay. I am not saying that watch other series, please repeat this again, and this time don't use subtitle, okay. Just put a hands-free in your ear and then start listening to it, okay. Third thing, make a vow that from tomorrow or today as well, you are going to speak or have a conversation with your friend in English, okay. If there is one-to-one conversation, means you are doing with one of your friends, it's okay. If there is a group conversation, that is most better, okay, more better thing, because in group mostly people, everyone are at the same level, so it is a better thing, okay. So yeah, this is the entire video. I hope you guys like this video, and whatever I convey this message to you, you are convincing it, you are focusing, you are following my advices, okay, because these are the most important thing which is useful for your future, okay. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubts or feedback, please feel free to put it in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.